Alright, today
we're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize to you all. This video didn't even come close to turning out how I wanted it to. It was so hot, the GoPro was getting hot, I was having a lot of camera malfunctions. There was times it was showing it was recording and it wasn't. I also lost a lot of footage between the camera and the computer. I've been in there for about 4 hours combined digging and trying to find all the video. I didn't get it. I'd done a walk around of the pits, a lot of the teams, kind of show you all what goes on down in the pits, what it's like to be at the drag strip, you know, big NHRA event like that, and it's lost. And I can't go back. Everybody's gone, you know, they're going on to the next track. I apologize. So I'm gonna throw together bits and pieces of some races that I did get, you know, that really did video and some other things. So stick around and here we go. Once again, I'm sorry. There was a day at, well, not a day, in bits and pieces. It was a long day. Hot as balls. My eyes, nose, and throat are burned completely out from the nitro. Yeah, and hot as balls again. But hope y'all enjoyed what I got. Had a little camera issues. GoPro wanted to get really extremely hot, shut off. But I had fun. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Click that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave some comments down there, let me know what you think, and we'll catch y'all next time. I'm getting the hell out of here. I'm gonna go get something to eat and something to drink. Y'all be good. We'll see you.